Ever had a student claim they never got your course even though they clearly logged in? Those did not deliver chargebacks can wipe out legitimate sales fast. Here's a quick manual way to protect your course income from did not deliver claims. Create a simple course access confirmation in Canva. Include the student's name, course title, and date they receive access. Add a digital signature line so both sides have proof of delivery. This works as evidence during disputes, but it still means keeping manual records and sending proof each time. That's where EasyPay Direct helps. When your business is underwritten properly, your digital delivery model is officially recognized. So processors see your courses as legitimate and not risky. It cuts down on non-delivery chargebacks before they even start. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check out how their underwriting and chargeback protection work together to keep your online course revenue secure. Don't let false delivery claims eat into your profits. With EasyPay Direct, your digital course business stays protected, recognized, and running smoothly. Use the link in the description to get started today.